Say hey. Tell him good morning. Say good morning. Quit frowning at him. Quit that. Hey, rascal. Hey. Oh, yeah. You talk to him? Well, you see him there. Oh, you're going cross-eyed. Are you still cross-eyed? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Say hey. 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 Come on and smile. Hey. Let's get the foodies out. What is it? Oh, was that a smile? That looked painful. That looked painful. There's my button. Are you talking? What you gonna tell him? Huh? What you gonna tell him? Oh yeah. I heard you starting to chuckle. What you gonna tell him? Hey. Hey. Hey, my baby. Hey. Oh, Mama freezing you? What are you doing? I have a good idea. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh.